Imagine a world where your investments work tirelessly, generating a steady stream of income month after month. A world where financial freedom is within reach, as dividends flow like a river that never runs dry. For those seeking this kind of financial sorcery, monthly dividend ETFs offer a tantalizing opportunity. But what exactly are these investment vehicles? And why should you consider them? Let's explore. If you had a chance to earn a consistent monthly income without lifting a finger, would you be interested? Monthly dividend ETFs could make that dream a reality. Do watch till the end, as you won't want to miss out on any of these ETFs. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps my channel grow, and I appreciate your support. Defining monthly dividend ETFs. At their core, monthly dividend ETFs are investment funds that pool money from multiple investors to create a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. The dividends generated by these stocks are then distributed to ETF shareholders on a monthly basis. It's akin to receiving a paycheck every month, but instead of coming from your employer, it comes from your investments. Can you think of any advantages to receiving a regular income stream from your investments, rather than relying solely on employment or business income? Growth potential untapped. Now you might be thinking, but what about growth potential? Surely these ETFs sacrifice that for the sake of regular income. Fear not, for these investment vehicles offer the best of both worlds. Not only do they provide attractive dividend yields, but they also have a history of increasing their dividend payouts over time. Picture a tree that grows taller and more fruitful with each passing year. That's how these dividend ETFs work. The longer you hold them, the larger your monthly payouts become. It's like watching your money grow while enjoying the fruits of your investments. How would a consistent monthly income stream from your investments change your lifestyle or financial goals? Criteria for selection. As we delve into our top picks for 2024, it's essential to understand what criteria we've used to identify these remarkable investments. We've focused on ETFs with a proven track record of increasing dividend payouts, attractive dividend yields, and a commitment to diversification. After all, a well-rounded portfolio is key to weathering any market conditions. What factors would you consider most important when evaluating a monthly dividend ETF for potential investment? Kicking off our list is the WisdomTree US High Dividend Fund. With an average dividend yield of 4.13% and a 10-year dividend growth rate of 5.88% and a low investment cost of 0.38%, this ETF is a solid choice for those seeking reliable and slowly increasing returns. If you were to invest $10,000 today, you'd earn $413 by year's end, with a mere $38 in fees. But the real magic lies in the long-term potential. If you had invested $10,000 a decade ago, your investment would be worth approximately $32,695 today, thanks to the fund's consistent dividend growth. What excites you most about the WisdomTree US High Dividend Fund's dividend weighting strategy, which focuses on companies with higher dividend yields rather than traditional market cap weighting? Number 6, Invesco S&P 500 Low Volatility High Dividend ETF. Meet SPHD, a fund that aligns perfectly with dividend investment goals. Offering a mouth-watering 4.16% annual dividend yield and a 10-year dividend growth rate of 6.05%, with low fees of 0.3%. This ETF promises to reward investors handsomely. Imagine investing $10,000. By year's end, you'd earn $416 with a mere $30 in fees. But the real excitement lies in the long-term potential. A $10,000 investment made a decade ago would be worth approximately $33,024 today. Not only that, but SPHD has shown remarkable resilience, steadily rebounding from the global pandemic's impact, signaling its potential for capital appreciation. SPHD's impressive track record and resilience are undoubtedly attractive features. But what other factors might you consider before investing in this ETF? Number 5, Invesco S&P Small Cap High Dividend Low Volatility ETF XSHD. This ETF employs a special strategy. It invests in approximately 60 securities in the S&P Small Cap 600 index that historically have provided high dividend yields while exhibiting lower volatility, resulting in an impressive 7.99% dividend yield. With a low cost of only 0.3%, a $10,000 investment would yield $799 in dividends after 1 year, costing you a mere $30 in fees. But the real excitement lies in the long-term potential. Based on its 3.12% dividend growth rate over the past 3 years, a $10,000 investment would be worth an astonishing $35,165 in a decade, an extraordinary gain of $25,165. With such a high dividend yield, the Invesco S&P Small Cap High Dividend Low Volatility ETF seems like a good choice. How would you balance the risks and rewards of investing in an ETF like XSHD? Number 4. Invesco KBW Premium Yield Equity REIT ETF KBWY. Investors keen on opportunities shouldn't overlook the Invesco KBW Premium Yield Equity REIT ETF. This promising investment option shines by giving more weight to companies that offer higher dividends. With a competitive dividend yield of 8.79% and a low cost of 0.35%, a $10,000 investment would yield $879 in dividends after 1 year, with a mere $35 in fees. But the real excitement lies in the long-term potential. Assuming a 10-year time frame with a dividend growth rate of 3.17%, that $10,000 investment would be worth approximately $36,884 today. This ETF's focus on financial companies and quarterly rebalancing ensures diversification across various real estate sectors, providing investors with a well-rounded exposure to this dynamic market. The Invesco KBW Premium Yield Equity REIT ETF offers exposure to the real estate market, which can be both exciting and volatile. How would you weigh the potential rewards against the inherent risks? Number 3. Invesco High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers, PEY. Invesco's High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers takes the dividend-focused strategy to new heights. Over the past 10 years, this fund has demonstrated a dividend growth rate of 7.76%, with a low cost of 0.52%. With the current dividend yield at 4.99%, that translates to $499 in dividends on a $10,000 investment by year's end, with a mere $52 in fees. But the real excitement lies in the long-term potential. Based on the fund's consistent dividend growth rate, a $10,000 investment made a decade ago would be worth approximately $37,387 today. The icing on the cake? This ETF focuses on U.S. companies that grow their dividends over time, aiming to provide higher distribution yields with reduced risk compared to other market ETFs. Invesco's High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers seems to offer a compelling combination of income potential and risk management. What factors might give you pause or make you hesitate before investing in this ETF? Number 2. VictoryShares International High Div Volatility Weighted ETF, CID. Tom's journey leads him to a hidden gem in the international stock market, the VictoryShares International High Dividend Volatility Weighted ETF. With a low cost of 0.45% and an attractive 4.91% dividend yield, this ETF promises stability and substantial returns. Invest $10,000 and you could earn $491 in dividends with a mere $45 in fees. But the real excitement lies in the long-term potential. Based on its impressive 11.66% dividend growth rate over the past 3 years, a $10,000 investment would be worth an astonishing $46,278 in a decade. This ETF's financial performance over the past 10 years has been consistently stable, instilling confidence in long-term investors. The VictoryShares International High Dividend Volatility Weighted ETF offers an intriguing blend of low volatility and high dividends. What factors would you consider when evaluating its long-term potential in the global market? Number 1. WisdomTree U.S. Quality Dividend Growth Fund, DGRW. This fund primarily invests into dividend-paying U.S. common stocks with growth characteristics. Although this fund gives only a 1.58% dividend yield and charges a mere 0.28% in fees, but the real magic unfolds over the long term. Based on DGRW's high 5-year dividend growth rate of 13.8%, a $10,000 investment made a decade ago would be worth approximately $48,124 today. With such a high dividend growth rate, the WisdomTree U.S. Quality Dividend Growth Fund seems like a compelling choice. However, what potential risks or drawbacks might you consider before investing in this fund? As we conclude our exploration of the top monthly dividend ETFs for 2024, it's important to remember that investing is a journey, not a destination. These remarkable investment vehicles offer the potential for consistent income and long-term growth, but they also come with risks and require careful consideration. Before making any investment decisions, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand your risk tolerance, and seek guidance from qualified financial professionals. After all, the path to financial freedom is paved with knowledge, discipline, and a well-crafted strategy. If you had the opportunity to create your own monthly dividend ETF, what sectors or industries would you focus on? And what criteria would you use to select the companies within the fund? By engaging with these thought-provoking questions and considering the unique features of each ETF, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of monthly dividend investments and potentially unlock a stream of passive income that flows like a never-ending river. You may also wish to check out my other video on the 5 highest-paying monthly dividend stocks in the link above and in the description down below. What's your favorite dividend ETF? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about the top 7 monthly dividend ETFs to earn income. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.